Okay, so I'm gonna continue from where I left. So last time I remember, as we remember, this question, what it did was it must have got the answer, but it did not return. Now, a problem with this would be that if I throw this in right, it'll charge me another this thing because it ape usage. So let's see if I just go for the activity, right, and this is API request for 14th. How is it that today is free? Freaking, oh no. Nevertheless, let's just okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this whole thing in a Jupyter notebook because that way it would be much more like I won't have to like redo the whole thing. Like make the API calls again and again for the embeddings, and that would be stored easily. So elements.ipynb. This is going to take up the major chunk. Just select kernel Python. Elements. Okay, then I just copy. Okay, yeah, this is the output. I'm just gonna. So the transformer is a new type of neural network for translating text. It is different from other models because it only uses a type of mechanism called attention instead of other complicated. Makes it much faster and easier to train while also improving the quality of translations. It may be shown to outperform other models on translation tasks, making it okay. So Yeah, it's not. Yeah, it's good, but I would. I prefer something bigger, right? So, like a bit more better than this. Okay, so prompt template called condense, which merges the last user's query with the chat history, so it's that it results has just one query. In the pass a custom prompt, we can do so using the condense question answer prompt parameter. For example, we might want the agentic. This is something new. Meaning we want to leverage the LLM's reasoning capabilities to orchestrate and invoke the available tools without a fixed order, but rather following the best approach given the user's query. Okay. This method creates a custom tool that acts as a retriever from an agent. For an agent, it will need a database to retrieve from, name, a short description so that the model can understand when to use it. Okay, yeah, this is retrieval. Okay, what are we doing here? So we take uh, from LangChain agent toolkits, import create retriever tool. So we make a tool, we make have a database as a retriever. Italy travels and search and return documents regarding Italy. Okay, tools is this, memory is this from LangChain agent toolkits. Create conversational retrieval from LangChain data import. Okay, this chat OpenAI. Okay, create conversational retrieval agent. Create conversational retrieval agent. We put in the LLM. We put in the tool. The tool is basically the retrieval tool which we need. We put in a memory which is conversational buffer memory. uh, I think I wonder if we could use this thing, but okay, we are also having the database, but it's over here. Okay, let's see. Memory underscore keys chat history. So why do we have a memory over here? And no, then no. Wait, let's see. Input, tell me something about Pantheon. Okay, this is more like, okay, we are using the SERP API also over here. Search. Okay, SERP API. I think I made the documentation. Let's see. Sign in with Google. Okay, what I'll do is I think I have this in another one. Wait. Sign in Google. This one. Yeah. Okay, they have a key. Okay, so this is the only required parameter, which is Q. Rest are okay. There's another one, API key, obviously. You get JSON results. Wow. Okay, this is actually quite neat. It gives like the URL SERP API link. Okay. I wonder if we just use SERP API and this, why can't we make our own freaking perplexity with some basic NLP and this? I think we'd be able to make a really nice NLP, right? Sorry, perplexity, right? Let's just mm, Hey, let's see Anthropic. Okay, even I think this one has been okay. The LangChain community हो चुका है भाई. ये हो गया है. Okay. After this, there's only just developing the front end, and we're done. Nevertheless, I'll uh, write this thing up because this is pretty good, but obviously I'll be needing much more than this. So, yeah, let me just first of all go through this. Mhm. नहीं यार ये मैं ना I'm gonna do it in the Python notebook only. एक सेकेंड LangChain agents agent toolkit create retriever tool. ठीक है. अब अपना अब हम लोग एक बार फिर से पढ़ लेते हैं इसको. Even though the bot was able to provide an answer based on we still have limitations. In fact, with such a configuration, our Globetrotter will only look at the provided documentation. But what if we want to use it to use parametric knowledge? For example, we might want the bot to be able to understand whether it could integrate with the provided documentation or simply answer freely. To do so, we need to make our Globetrotter agentic, that meaning that we want to leverage the LLM's reasoning capabilities to orchestrate the and invoke the available tools without a fixed order, but rather following the best approach given the user's query. Okay, so we just don't want the LLM to be like a parrot, right? We that it just looks at the document, sees the document, and we want it to use it as its own knowledge. So to do so, we'll be creating a retrieval tool. This method creates a custom tool that acts as a retriever for an agent. It will need a database to retrieve from, a name, a short description, so that the model can understand when to use it. Okay, so this is just the tool to retrieve the database. In our case, that will be the attention is all you need file that we had as the database. We converted it into a database by firstly splitting the text and then using the face and OpenAI embeddings to get the embeddings of it. Then there's create this is our database. Then there's create conversational retrieval agent. This method initializes a conversational agent that is configured to work with retrievers and chart model. It will need an LLM list of tools, in our case the retriever, and memory to keep memory key to keep track of the previous chart history. So once we make the tool, we just put it in the toolkit retrieval agent, and then the retrieval agent would like basically do the most of the work for us. Okay, that seems like a fair thing. So firstly we make the tool, then what we do is we import the tool library, then we make the tool create retriever tool db dot as retriever. हमने database ले लिया. Then we need transformer architecture. Let's just copy this. Regarding attention or transformers. ठीक है. This is our tool. Then tools equals to tools. So we just put it in a list. Then we make a memory. So this would be the conversation buffer memory. Conversation buffer memory, wherein we have the memory key equals to chat history and return messages equals to true. Then we make the agent, and obviously we have to import the OpenAI. So over here we have the this we import OpenAI. LLM equals to OpenAI temperature equals to yeah, I knew there was something. Yeah, they said that. Okay, use invoke. I knew this. Wait. It's over here. Wait, let me see. Invoke. Okay. Not here. Here. Oh, this I'm not the first one doing so. Hmm. I think this is a recent error that I'm receiving. I'm not sure why it's not working. Let me just do this. Okay, this worked. That means there's some error in my typing. Mm, let's see. Okay, this thing works. Okay, I think I realize what's the issue. That okay, I can't have it like that. Fair enough. Fair enough, fair enough, fair enough. Okay. Hmm. इसका कोई लफड़ा है क्या ट्रांसफॉर्मर से? भाई पैंथियन डालता हूँ तो आ जाता है. Okay. No, 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 no. There's an error. Okay. Wait. Create retriever tool. It takes this, then okay. Okay, this was the error. I had a space here. Sweet. Okay. I realized that you cannot have a space here. Sweet. Got it. I'm definitely gonna make the Reddit one. Okay, this one, and then just comes the uh,